What's up, everybody? Hey, it's Kate coming to you with a tutorial. I looked all on YouTube to see if there were any tutorials on how to do a 2x6 closure quick weave with bundles, and I ain't find none. So I figured, let me bless the masses, okay? So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing in this video. As you can see, I'm applying that 2x6 closure that I received from not Walmart, Lord Jesus, Walmart, Amazon. So I ordered these bundles in this closure from Amazon, from a company called Wingirl hair. I ordered a 12-inch 2x6 closure with 4 bundles of 22, 24, 26, and 28 inches. When I tell you that these bundles are soft, the bundles are thick, it's a lot of hair that comes with it, and they are true to length. Child, when I tell y'all, I love these bundles so far. Tomorrow I'm going to actually try and see if I can curl them and see exactly how they hold a curl and how they do with heat. But in this process, y'all know how to do a quick weave. This is basically how I do my quick weaves. So if you want to follow along and see exactly how I do mine, then just stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. And if this is your first time, girl, welcome. Boy, welcome. I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, ring the bell so you can receive notifications, and subscribe. I mean, you gotta subscribe so you can see some more videos. Let me know if y'all enjoy these videos like this. Give me suggestions on what other type of videos y'all would like for me to make. And here we go. Yay.
I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
Okay, so basically what I'm doing with this part is I'm bringing that one track from one side all the way to the other side as if to give it like a little framed look. So every track that I do up until that point is going to go in that same direction. I will have to say that I really like these 2x6 closures. I feel like it takes me less time to prep them, to pluck them, to bleach the knots if I wanted to bleach the knots, and to apply it. So I really like the 2x6 closures. At first I was kind of scared of them because they were so small and I'm so used to the 4x4 or the frontals. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to start, rocking with the 2x6s because it was just seamless. I felt like I got through applying my quick weaves faster because I had that 2x6 closure. So once I put that closure down, all I had to do was just add my tracks and it was super fast. I got finished with this application in about an hour and a half. That was because my daughter was in school and I didn't have to be in mommy mode technically because she was in school. So yeah, so I was able to get finished with this quick weave within an hour and a half. Now if she was out of school and I still had things I had to do, it probably would have took me a little bit longer. Or if you don't have any kids, it'll probably take you the same amount of time, an hour and 30 minutes, or it might be less depending on how fast you are with it. But for me, like I said, it took me an hour and 30 minutes. So all the girls that have been wondering about the 2x6 closures, go on ahead and buy them, because it's so easy. It's easier to apply them when you pluck the front of the lace and stuff like that. If you have to pluck the lace, it's not that much plucking that you have to do because it's so small. And I think y'all will really like it. I really like how this install came out. And as you can see, I was really happy because that one final track that I had in that bundle, it fit perfectly. I'm the type of person where I want all of my bundles on my head. If I purchase 4 bundles, I want all 4 bundles on my head. And with this install, I use all 4 bundles. I had a situation one time where I went to somebody to get a sew-in done, and I had purchased 4 bundles. This girl only put in 3 bundles. You want to tell me, girl, somebody was devastated? I was devastated. That was the first and last time I went to somebody to get my hair sewn in. I have been doing my sew-ins ever since, because when I purchase a certain amount of bundles, I want every last bundle in my head. And you can't tell me that I can't get all those bundles in my head. The devil is a liar, because I do it all the time. But anyways, I'm done. And now I'm working on the front part of my closure, as you can see, and I am going in a zigzag motion with the scissors to get that zigzag effect, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation and everything like that. So I'm going to stop talking because we're just about at the end of the video. So yeah. Oop, I forgot to tell y'all. So also, I am a baldy babe. I have no hair under there. So I have to do a particular thing when I mold my hair down so I can do quick weave, because I sweat so bad. So what I did was I used this Got To Be spray. It's like a blue and purple can that you saw at the beginning of the video. I used that. And then I also used the EBIN gel in the black tube. And then I molded my hair, and I actually used the stocking cap, and then I sat under the dryer for a good little minute just so I can get it super dry. And then from there, I was able to actually put the tracks on and do this, that, and the third. And then I used my foundation on my cap in the middle of my forehead, as y'all saw at the beginning of the video. And this is the finished look. She's gorgeous. It's a queen. She's fine. This hair makes me feel sexy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
You're worth the chase, yeah.